In the present video, we will discuss the GATE 2026 problem on the PERT topic. Let's see the problem. The activities of a PERT network and their corresponding activity time estimates of the optimistic T0, most likely Tm, and pessimistic Tp are given in the table below. So in the table given the various activities along with the optimistic, most likely and pessimistic time in weeks. Then we have to determine the expected project length in dash weeks. Let's see the solution. So first step is we have to draw the project network. So first we have to draw the project network for the given activities. So first we have to represent the activities 1 to 2, 1 to 3 and 1 to 4. Next to represent the activity 2 to 5. Next activity 3 to 4. Next activity 3 to 5. Next activity 4 to 5. And next activity is the 5 to 6. Next step is calculate the expected duration of each activity using the formula. So expected time TE equal to T0 plus 4Tm plus TP divided by 6. So then we have to calculate the TE value for the each activity. So for the activity 1 to 2, expected time TE equal to the, so T0 2 plus 4Tm 4 into 4 plus TP 12 divided by 6, which is equal to the 5. Similarly for the activity 1 to 3, 2 plus 4 into 4 plus 6 divided by 6, which is equal to the 4. Next for activity 1 to 4. So for activity 1 to 4, so 3 plus 4 into 4 plus 11 divided by 6, which is equal to the 5. Next for the activity 2 to 5, 3 plus 4 into 6 plus 9 divided by 6, which is equal to the 6. Next activity 3 to 4, 2 plus 4 into 5 plus 14 divided by 6, which is equal to the 6. Next for activity 3 to 5, 3 plus 4 into 3 plus 3 divided by 6, which is equal to 3. Next for activity 4 to 5, 3 plus 4 into 6 plus 15 divided by 6, which is equal to the 7. Next for the activity 5 to 6, 2 plus 4 into 5 plus 8 divided by 6, which is equal to the 5. Next step is calculate the earliest start, earliest finish, and also calculate the latest start time and latest finish time, and also determine the total float of the each activity. Before that, we represent the expected time TE on each arrow of the respected activity. So next we have to determine the earliest start time and earliest finish time by the forward pass method. In forward pass method, we have to start at the first event and consider the earliest start time is the 0. Here first event is the 1 and considering the earliest start time is the 0. Next we have to calculate the earliest start time and earliest finish time for the activity 1 to 2. For activity 1 to 2, at event 1, earliest start time is the 0 and earliest finish time will become the 0 plus 5, which is equal to the 5 at the event 2. Next we have to look for the activity 1 to 3. Earliest start time is the 0 at event 1 and earliest finish time is the 0 plus 4, which is equal to the 4 at the event 3. Next for the activity 1 to 4, earliest start time is the 0 at event 1 and earliest finish time is the 0 plus 5, which is equal to the 5 at event 4. Here event 4 is the merge event for the activities 1 to 4 and also for the activity 3 to 4. So earliest finish time is the maximum earliest finish time of the activity 1 to 4 and the 3 to 4. So next we have to look for the activity 2 to 5. For the activity 2 to 5, earliest start time is the 5 at event 2 and earliest finish time will become the 5 plus 6 which is equal to the 11. So here also event 5 is the merge event for the activities 2 to 5 and 3 to 5 and also for the 4 to 5. So next activity is the 3 to 4. So for the activity 3 to 4, earliest start time is the 4 at the event 3. Then earliest finish time will become the 4 plus 6 which is equal to the 10. So here event 4 is the merge event. So have to consider the maximum time is the earliest finish time at the event 4. So among the 5 and 10, maximum finish time is the 10. So earliest finish time at event 4 is the 10. So next is the activity 3 to 5. So for the activity 3 to 5, earliest start time is the 4 at event 3 and earliest finish time will become the 4 plus 3 which is equal to the 7. Next for the activity 4 to 5. For activity 4 to 5, earliest start time is the 10 at event 4 and finish time will become the 10 plus 7 which is equal to the 7. Here event 5 is the merge event for the activities 2 to 5, 3 to 5 and 4 to 5. Then earliest finish time at event 5 is the maximum of the 11, 7 and the 17. So here 17 is the maximum time. So earliest finish time at event 5 is the 17. Next activity 5 to 6. For activity 5 to 6, earliest start time is the 17 at event 5 and finish time will become the 17 plus 5 which is equal to the 22. Next we calculate the latest finish time and latest start time by the backward pass method and start at the last event, that is the event 6. So at the event 6, latest finish time is the 22. Then I have to look for the activity 5 to 6. Latest finish time is the 22 at event 6 and latest start time will become the 22 minus 5 which is equal to the 17 at the event 5. So next we have to look for the activity 4 to 5. For the activity 4 to 5, latest finish time is the 17 and start time will become the latest start time is 17 minus 7 which is equal to the 10. So next we have to look for the activity 3 to 5. So for the activity 3 to 5, latest finish time is the 17 and latest start time will become the 17 minus 3 which is equal to the 14 at the event 3. So here event 3 is the burst event for the activities 3 to 5 and the 3 to 4. So in the backward pass method, latest start time for the burst event we have to consider the minimum time. So latest start time at the event 3 is the minimum latest start time of the activities 3 to 5 and 3 to 4. So next we have to look for the activity 3 to 4. For the activity 3 to 4, latest finish time is the 10 and latest start time will become the 10 minus 6 which is equal to the 4. So latest start time at the event 3 will become the minimum amount of the 4 and 14 which is the 4 is the minimum. Then latest start time will become the 4. So next we have to look for the activity 2 to 5. For the activity 2 to 5, latest finish time is the 17 and start time will become the 17 minus 6 which is equal to the 11. So next we have to look for the activity 1 to 4. For activity 1 to 4, latest finish time is the 10 at event 4 and latest start time will become the 10 minus 5, which is equal to the 5. So here also event 1 is the burst event for the activity 122 and 123 and 124. So latest start time at event 1 will become the minimum latest start time of the activities 122, 123 and the 124. So next I have to look for the activity 123. For activity 123, latest finish time is the 4 and latest start time will become the 4 minus 4, which is equal to the 0. And next we have to look for the activity 122. For activity 122, latest finish time is the 11 and latest start time will become the 11 minus 5, which is equal to the 6. So at the event 1, latest start time is the minimum time of the 0, 6 and 5. Among this, 0 is the minimum value. So latest start time at event 1 is the 0. Next we will identify the critical activities. We know that for critical activities, total float and the slack is the 0 and moreover earliest time and the latest time also equal. So difference between the earliest time and the latest time is 0. So here for the activity 123, earliest time and latest time are the equal. So total float is the 0 for the activity 123. Similarly for the activity 3 to 4 also earliest time and latest time are equal. Total float also 0. Similarly for the activity 4 to 5 and activity 5 to 6. So here critical path is the, so critical activities are the activity 1 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5 and the 5 to 6. Then critical path is the 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. And time duration for the critical path is the, for activity 1 to 3, expected time is the 4. So 4 plus, for activity 3 to 4, expected time is the 6. So 4 plus 6. And similarly for the activity 4 to 5, expected time is the 7. So plus 7. And for the activity 5 to 6, expected time is the 5. So 7 plus 5. So critical path is the 1, 3, 4, 5, 6 and time duration is the 4 plus 6 plus 7 plus 5, which is equal to the 22 weeks. So expected project length is the 22 weeks. We can determine the expected length of the project without calculation of the earliest and latest time. For this, after determination of the TE value, then we have to identify the all the possible path and its duration in the project network. Here, possibility of the path is the first path is 1, 2, 5, 6. Its duration is the, so 5 plus 6 plus 5, which is equal to the 16. So this is the first path, 1 to 2 and 2 to 5 and 5 to 6. And next possibility of the path is 1 to 3, 3 to 5 and 5 to 6. So in this path, duration is the 4 plus 3 plus 5, which is equal to the 12. Next possibility of the path is 1 to 4, 4 to 5 and 5 to 6. So in this path, duration is the 5 plus 7 plus 5, which is equal to the 17. And one more possibility of the path is there, that is 1 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5 and the 5 to 6. In this path, duration is the 4 plus 6 plus 7 plus 5, which is equal to the 22. So here among the all the path, so maximum duration is the for the path of the 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here critical path is the 1, 3, 4, 5, 6 and time duration of the in this path is the 22 weeks. So expected project length is the 22 weeks. So answer is the 22. Thank you.